Hello everyone, today we are going to study about the countable and uncountable nouns. We have already studied it prior, but today I would like to hear it from your side that what is the definition of countable noun and what is the definition of uncountable noun, following with some of the examples. So are we ready for it?
Yes, ma'am.
So Atharva, can you tell me the definition of countable nouns?
Yes, ma'am. Nouns that are plurals are known as countable nouns. Countable nouns can be counted in numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. For example, teachers, students, pen, pencil, tables, etc. are the examples of countable nouns. Thank you.
So Ajay, can you tell me the definition of uncountable nouns?
Yes, ma'am. The noun which has no plural is called as uncountable noun. We cannot count number words like 1, 2, 3, many, etc. For example, tea, coffee, wheat, flour, etc. all are uncountable nouns. Thank you.
Okay, so we have seen the definition of countable and uncountable noun. Now I would like to hear the example from here. So who can tell me the example of countable noun? Yes, Dhanashri.
Yes, ma'am. First example, I saw an elephant on the road today. Here, the elephant is countable noun. Second example, the chair is broken. Here, the chair is countable noun. Thank you, ma'am.
Now who can tell me the next example for countable nouns? Yes, Sakshi.
Yes, ma'am. The dog ran after me. It nearly beat me. Here, dog is countable noun. The apples were bad. I threw them away. Here, apples are countable noun. Thank you.
Can you give me some more examples for countable nouns?
Yes, ma'am. The children laugh happily. Here, the children are countable noun. Next example, the boys were playing in the ground. The boys are countable nouns. Thank you.
Now I would like to hear some examples of uncountable noun. So Rishabh, can you give me the examples?
Yes, ma'am. The juice in the fridge is fresh. The juice is uncountable noun. We need to buy some furniture for office. The furniture is uncountable noun. Thank you.
So Harshal, can you give me some more examples for uncountable noun?
Yes, ma'am. I had a bowl of rice in lunch. Here, rice is uncountable noun. Second example, the money is on your table. Here, the money is uncountable noun. Thank you.
So everyone, very good who all have given the examples for countable and uncountable nouns. Now, there is the various categories in uncountable nouns like solids, liquids, abstract nouns and many more. So now I would like to ask you all some more examples regarding those various categories. So are you all ready?
Yes.
So who can give me the example for solids? Yes, Ravindra?
Yes, ma'am. Some example of a solid form are bread, butter, cream, gold, silver, zinc, etc. Thank you.
Can give me the example for liquids? Yes, Vinayak?
Yes, ma'am. Liquids. Water, tea, coffee, juice, vinegar and etc. Thank you.
Who can give me the example for gases? Yes, Ritesh?
Yes, ma'am. Gases, air, oxygen, nitrogen, smoke, steam, and etc. Thank you.
Who can give the examples for grains or particles? Yes, Samir?
Yes, ma'am. The examples are rice, wheat, hair, grass, and sugar. Thank you.
Who can tell me the example for abstract nouns? Yes, Vedant?
Yes, ma'am. Example like hair, love, peace, fun, etc. Thank you.
Who would like to give me the example for material nouns? Yes, Daksh?
Yes, ma'am. Some examples of material nouns are wood, glass, paper, cement and steel, etc. Thank you.
Who would like to give the examples for a set of similar items? Yes, Drishna?
Yes, ma'am. Luggage, furniture, mail, money, etc. Thank you.
Who can give the example for languages? Yes, Divya?
Yes, ma'am. Hindi, Marathi, Urdu, Bengali and German. Thank you.
Who would like to give the example for activities? Yes, Rudra?
Yes, ma'am.
homework, singing, driving, tennis, etc. Thank you.
Now who would like to tell the example for elements of nature? Yes, Atharva and Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Examples are rain, sunshine, thunder, snow, heat, etc. Thank you.